not even crazy one. It's just, it was a heavy rain today, but it was nothing crazy. If you ever wonder, sorry, bug just landed on me. If you ever wonder what causes, these changes in Fairy Falls, this is it. This is what happens when a huge rain comes through, and it's not even done raining. This is what happens down here. Wow. This is wild. If it's like this from this basic storm, can you imagine what it was like here during Helene? It's almost impossible to wrap your head around what it would have been like during that. Just imagine 10 times this, and that would have been Helene. Wild. So this is like, how the water was when it was just blowing away this area in here. Crazy. I've been down here trying to clean everything up, and what does this do to everything? I can see where I put rocks along that edge to try and protect them stuff, and it looks like that's actually paying off. It's incredible. But again, I was just down here 6 hours ago, and it was totally normal, and now it's like this. Wild. Absolutely wild. Well, good news is the bridge is still there. But let's see. Look how soggy it's getting down here. Okay. Normally I go down these at quite a leisurely pace. This is probably the fastest walk you see me do. Holy hell. Wild. You ever wondered what was happening down here in a big storm? Now I know. It's the flooding. See it coming through here. Always wanted to come down here with a good camera in the middle of a good storm. Kind of understand what happens to the waterfall. This is about as good a shot as I'm going to get. You should see if this area down here, where everything's changed, is it safe? Okay, it would have to get a lot worse to go up over there while I start planting everything. That's good. Wow, look at that. Pretty insane.